welcome back to Festive Forever. So today's vlog is going to be little different. Actually, it's going to be quite different. Yes, it's going to be a food vlog, but usually I take you guys to a dine out. So today I have called for home delivery because I just felt that you guys should also have certain options. जब भी खाना बनाने का मन नहीं करता और कुछ बाहर से मंगाने का मन करता है, सो आई फेल्ट दैट आई शुड गिव यू गाइज सर्टन ऑप्शंस एंड I hope you enjoy this video and yeah, let's begin. So guys, the first thing that I have called for are these momos from Silly Chili. Usually we don't call momos from this particular place because this place is quite popular for its Asian food and noodles and everything you get there. And momos ke liye there are many places which are particularly dedicated for momos, but then I called for it and I instantly fell in love with it. I liked it, so I just thought I might as well share that with you guys. So if you guys can see कि ये बहुत ही बड़ा मोमो का साइज़ है. इफ़ ऐसे बड़े मोमोज तो हमको मिलते नहीं है. एंड usually when you call for momos, their skin is quite thick, but here the skin is not that thick. If you guys can see, oops, the filling is really good and it's not that thick. It comes with this dipping. So I actually like this dipping. It's quite spicy, so I'm just gonna try before I actually jump to the conclusion. Bola na, it's awesome. I already told you guys that it's really good. It's actually tossed vegetables and then of course with steamed momos. And actually there are many varieties of momos that you get here. You get your Szechuan, chicken, veg, non-veg, but I have called for veg momos because I particularly like this one. And the dipping sauce or chutney that we had over here was quite spicy. Actually it's very spicy, so if you can't handle that much of spiciness, then you might as well avoid it. But their momos are superb. I really loved it, and in fact the price is also good. I think it's for 129 to 130. I don't know the exact prices, but I'll put it in the description box or somewhere, all the prices and the places that from where the food I have called for. I really loved it and I think I'm gonna call again and again for this. But if you guys love momos, then you guys might as well give it a try to this place, and do let me know if you liked it. So the momos from Silly Chili is for 129 rupees. इसके काफ़ी ज़्यादा outlets तो है नहीं, but then if people living at Andheri can definitely call for this. So the second thing that we have over here is this burger. So this burger is from Boss Burger. I never tried it earlier and मैंने पहली बार ही मंगाया है. Oops, sorry, you guys can't see my face. तो मैंने पहली बार ही ये मंगाया है एंड इसकी पैकेजिंग इज़ क्वाइट गुड. आई लाइक्ड इट. So here we have our burger. This is peri peri chicken burger and I'm just gonna try my yummy and delicious burger, guys. चिकन का तो काफ़ी बड़ा चिकन पैटी इज़ क्वाइट बिग. एंड लेट्स जस्ट ओपन इट. थोड़ा इसका पोस्टमार्टम करके देखते तो अंदर है क्या. सो आई कैन सी zucchini और cucumber. ओह, दिस इज़ cucumber and then tomato and cheese and peri peri chicken, sesame, white and black sesame seeds. Oh my god, the bun also has a lot of white and black sesame seeds on top of it. Now let's just taste it. quite impressive. I didn't think that it's going to be this good. Too good, too good. चिकन तो भर भर के डाला है पैटी में. Like you can just taste a lot of chicken in the burger. Sesame seeds are giving crunchy taste. ज़्यादा dominating नहीं है, but है, काफ़ी है. Like you can taste a lot of sesame seeds all over this bun, and or actually when you have the bite you can taste a lot of sesame seeds all over. And actually let me just have another bite. So it's little tangy and cheesy. Cheese and chicken is blending well, but then though it's peri peri chicken or peri peri chicken burger, I could not really feel, or I didn't feel that it was that spicy. Mostly peri peri जो sauce होता है वो काफ़ी spicy होता है, but इतना spicy नहीं लगा, probably because there was a lot of cheese. But cheese and chicken is blending well. Burger is tasting good, and sesame seeds are giving good taste to it. But altogether it's really tasty, but I just felt that it does not live up to my expectations of peri peri chicken burger. But if you have to say chicken burger, then I will definitely give this burger a thumbs up. Okay, I forgot to mention this earlier that this place has many outlets. It's at Lower Parel, BKC, Kolaba, Andheri, and if you guys are staying any of this area, then you can call for Boss Burger. And it costed me, let me check, $2.99, and it's a little expensive, but then their packaging, their delivery of food, and their burgers are really good. So I hope you call for one. So the next thing that we have here is Goila butter chicken. There are a lot of food items. Actually the place is one that is specifically dedicated to butter chicken. मतलब मैंने कभी ऐसा नाम नहीं सुना है जो like it's the any place that is specifically dedicated to any particular food item or a dish. So this dish is specifically this place is specifically dedicated for butter chicken. Here you get butter chicken biryani, butter chicken roll, butter chicken, a lot of food items actually, or a lot of dish made from butter chicken. And I think this place is quite underrated, and I just felt that everyone should know about this place. I'm not sure how many people know about it, but then I just felt that the butter chicken is too good. And yeah, it's little costly, although थोड़ा महंगा है नहीं. Let's just taste first. बहुत टेस्टी है. हल्का सा स्वीट है, दैट इट्स लिटिल स्वीट, एंड देयर आर लाइक बस्ट ऑफ फ्लेवर्स इन माई माउथ द मोमेंट आई हैड इट. इट्स वेरी क्रीमी. एंड लेट मी ट्राई द चिकन. लेट्स सी हाउ दे हैव पुट द चिकन. चिकन के छोटे छोटे पीसेस है, लाइक नॉट दैट स्मॉल बट प्रॉब्ली क्वाइट small. Let's just have this entire huge chicken that we have in our plate. हाथ गंदे हो गया. Okay, so I was on and on, but I managed to finish it. So definitely, hands down, this is one of the best butter chicken that you can ever have. I have a special place in my heart for this dish, and I always try wherever I go many times butter chicken. And इसमें थोड़ा सा मीठा ज़्यादा है, but it depends. Butter chicken has to be a little sweet. It's buttery, it's creamy. There are like burst of flavors in my mouth and not at all spicy. हाँ, let me tell you, मतलब थोड़ा भी spicy नहीं है ये. But chicken is cooked properly and chicken का भी अच्छा taste है. Chicken tender है and I felt that it was super tasty. इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है that I like अरे यार अच्छा नहीं लगा. ऑल इन ऑल इसको मैं दूंगी अच्छी रेटिंग. इट्स टू गुड. खाते रहने का मन कर रहा है. आई जस्ट हैड व्हेन आई हैड दिस बाइट आई फेल्ट दैट देयर वाज also charcoal flavor to it, or must have kept it in tandoor, or yeah, also because it's tandoori chicken, right? Butter chicken में तो tandoori chicken ही होता है. I did love the butter chicken and I think I'm gonna call for it again and again. So yeah, I wanted to mention this, that there are 4 to 5 outlets I guess, and the outlets that I know is one at Chembur, and then Andheri, Bandra and Powai. So if you guys are staying anywhere near these areas or in this areas, then you can call for this butter chicken. So this butter chicken is little, actually quite expensive. It's somewhere around 395 rupees, which is very expensive. But if you love butter chicken and you want to actually specifically try places which actually serve, you know, their main dish revolves around butter chicken, so then I feel that you guys can give it a try, right? Guys, we have here our next dish. So this is chicken biryani from Lucky, and I just feel that this place is quite underrated because I have always been in love with the biryanis that you get at Lucky, and I just don't know why this place is so underrated. मतलब बिरयानी लकी की इतनी टेस्टी है कि उसका कुछ लिमिट नहीं है. Look how beautiful it looks, and all their masala is generally down and the rice is always upar. And let me tell you, let me serve myself and come back. So what I wanted to serve myself is this big piece of chicken with bones. बहुत बड़ा piece है. So Lucky generally serves a really big piece of chicken with their masala. Like at the bottom there is masala, on the top there is rice, and in between there is this big chicken piece that they serve. So what I wanted to show you guys about this, which I feel which I have noticed in the chicken biryani, is that the meat is very tender. Like look at this. The moment I did not have to even put like बहुत ज़्यादा efforts, I just, you know, gently pressed it and it separated. Their meat is super tender, it's cooked properly. Look, so I wanted to show you guys this specific thing that which I feel it's very important in the chicken biryani. And then now let's just give it a try. I'm just gonna go for a small bite. I generally like to take a big bite of biryani, but this time I'm just gonna take a small bite. Superb. What flavors. Too good. Too good. I would definitely say that whenever we have biryani, I have noticed that they make it very oily, and their masala, most of the places that serves biryani has so many masala in it that you can actually somewhere forget the taste of biryani, that you know how the biryani is supposed to be, and all you can taste is masala, oil, a lot of oil, and it just, you know, I feel कि वो जो main flavor और taste होता है biryani का, that somewhere goes away. But when I eat this biryani, the biryani that we have it from Lucky, I definitely feel that there is perfect balance of flavors. Like you can also taste some plain rice or saffron rice or flavored rice along with masala and tender chicken. So altogether, I just feel that this biryani is one of the best biryani or biryani places to eat biryani. And if you guys have not yet consider having biryani from Lucky, then you should totally give it a try to it. The price is and everything is very reasonable, and I just feel that it's amazing. There is like perfect balance of flavors. Generally जो मसाले पड़ते हैं बिरयानी में, all of that you can taste little. Okay, so Lucky has couple of outlets. One is at Bandra, one is at Andheri, one is at Chembur. So if you guys are staying near any of this area or in this area, then you can call for it. And it costed me for 340 rupees, and I feel that one biryani is enough for 2 people. And if you guys have small portion, then of course for 3 people, but otherwise this biryani is quite sufficient for 2 people. And prices of the biryanis are also quite reasonable, and if you are a biryani lover like me, I just love biryani, then you should call for one. So guys, though this vlog is quite different, I'm never going to forget our sweet ending. So here I have called for 2 desserts. Both are from Gyani's. One is kulfi, and the other thing that we have here is chocolate divine sundae. So I'll just open one of it. I just felt that this place has really amazing ice creams and sundaes, and I have actually tried their sundaes earlier and I really loved it. So I just thought that you guys should also know about it. This place has so many outlets, nth number of outlets it has. It is, I just feel that wherever you guys are staying, I'm sure it must be around. So let's just have a bite. Okay, I forgot to show you that this is how it looks quite tempting, right? Let's just have the bite. Out of this world. It's too good. It's so amazing. I'll just give you a brief idea what it says. Crushed brownie layered between choco chip ice cream and waffle crunch, topped with our delicious chocolate fudge sauce and caramel sauce with cherry on the top. Okay, cherry I couldn't find it, but otherwise, oh my god, this is super delicious. I always फेल्ट कि वो लोग की आइसक्रीम बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी एंड डिलिशियस है, वेरी क्रीमी. एक्चुअली द टेक्सचर इज़ रियली गुड ऑफ ऑल द आइसक्रीम्स दैट दे हैव. लाइक यू कैन नेवर फील, यू नो, that it's too icy, and that consistency of the ice cream is too good. Absolutely stunning. Now I'm gonna try this kulfi. It says Kesar dry fruit kulfi. I have tried this one as well. I have tried their malai kulfi earlier. I have not tried the Kesar one. थोड़ी सी melt हो गई है, but then it's looking delicious. The kulfi is like, it's awesome. Okay. But I think the malai kulfi is better. The kulfi is quite delicious. It's creamy. Texture is superb, guys. इनके कुल्फी का texture बहुत सही है. Like it's too tasty and creamy, and in fact the kesar is tasting good, but I would personally suggest that their malai kulfi is way, I just like their malai kulfi better than this one, and I feel that it tastes better. But if you like that dominating flavor of kesar, then you can go for it, but otherwise I would personally suggest that go for the malai kulfi. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, and about the pricing, sundae was for 199 rupees and the kulfi costed for 70 rupees, which I felt was okay, and it's not that expensive. Like 199 for sundae is quite good, and 70 rupees kulfi, उतना तो कुल्फी का प्राइस होता ही है if you guys go anywhere like any specific ice cream parlor, so उधर तो उतना प्राइस होता है. So the pricing are also quite good, so do give it a try to this place. I am definitely going to say that you are not going to regret, and if you do give it a try, or you call for something, or you visit that place, do leave it in the comment section below. I do want to know what you feel about that place. So guys, I think we are done here. I ate everything that we called for. My food was spectacular, amazing, delicious, tasty. Nothing was disappointing at all. I'm definitely going to recommend everything that I ate. Everything was superb, and my ratings this time are going to be only based on the quality of food and the pricing. So I'm gonna rate my experience 9 on 10 on my festive meter. So guys, this is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed my vlog. If you guys have any suggestion regarding any places that you guys want me to try, or should I do more such vlogs, did you like the food vlog, and if you go and if you call in for any food like home delivery, so leave it in the comment section below. I would definitely love to hear or read or comments regarding if you tried the food, if you liked the food, what do you think, or if you have any suggestions. So do leave it in the comment section below. I hope you loved my vlog, and that's it. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here and see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.